What if I told you that most SUVs start having serious problems right after the warranty ends? But these 7 SUVs are different. They're the ones mechanics rarely see in their shops, and owners keep for decades rather than years. Today, I'm revealing the SUVs with reliability scores so high, they're practically bulletproof. 7. Mazda CX-5, 2022 to 2025 models. While Mazda hasn't always been at the top of reliability charts, the recent CX-5 models have shown impressive durability. The SkyActiv engine technology has proven itself with remarkably few issues reported after 100,000 miles. What makes this SUV special is the combination of reliability with driving enjoyment. The 2.5-liter naturally aspirated engine avoids the common problems associated with turbocharged engines, while still delivering decent fuel economy of around 28 miles per gallon combined. A mechanic I spoke with mentioned that when CX-5s do come in for service, it's typically just for routine maintenance, not the major repairs that plague many competitors. The most common issues are minor electrical problems that don't affect the vehicle's operation. Cost savings. With an average annual repair cost of just $447 compared to the segment average of $573, you're saving about $1,260 over 10 years of ownership. Number 6. Subaru Forester, 2019 to 2025 models. The Forester has earned its reputation for longevity, especially after Subaru addressed the oil consumption issues in earlier models. Current generation Foresters commonly exceed 250,000 miles with their original powertrain. The Boxer engine design, while unique, has proven extremely reliable when properly maintained. The key is regular oil changes every 6,000 miles, rather than pushing to the recommended 7,500 miles. This small adjustment significantly extends engine life. Safety is another area where the Forester excels. All models come standard with EyeSight driver assist technology, which not only helps prevent accidents, but can reduce insurance premiums by up to 20% with some providers. Cost savings. Beyond lower repair costs, Forester owners typically save around $300 annually on insurance, thanks to excellent safety ratings and features. 5. Toyota RAV4 Hybrid, 2019 to 2025 models. Toyota's reputation for reliability is legendary, and the RAV4 Hybrid lives up to those expectations. The hybrid system is particularly impressive. There are documented cases of these vehicles exceeding 300,000 miles with the original battery pack still functioning well. Unlike conventional wisdom that suggests hybrid vehicles are more complicated and prone to expensive repairs, the RAV4 Hybrid actually requires less maintenance than its gas-only counterpart. The regenerative braking system significantly reduces wear on brake pads, often doubling their lifespan. The transition between gas and electric power has become seamless in these newer models, eliminating the hesitation that affected earlier hybrids. And with 40 miles per gallon combined fuel economy, you're saving money every time you drive. Cost savings. Compared to the standard RAV4, owners save approximately $650 annually in fuel and maintenance costs. Over 10 years, that's $6,500 back in your pocket. Number 4. Honda CR-V, 2023 to 2025 models. After addressing the oil dilution issues that affected 2017 to 2019 models, Honda has returned the CR-V to its rightful place among the most reliable SUVs. The redesigned platform introduced in 2023 has proven especially robust. The secret to the CR-V's reliability is Honda's mature engineering approach. Instead of pushing the envelope with cutting-edge technology, they focus on refining proven systems. The 1.5-liter turbocharged engine now has improved cooling and oil circulation, eliminating earlier concerns. One owner I interviewed has put 127,000 miles on his 2023 CR-V, with nothing more than oil changes, brake pads, and one set of tires. That's impressive for any vehicle, let alone one that's used daily for a delivery business. Cost savings. With 50% fewer dealer visits during the first 100,000 miles compared to the average compact SUV, CR-V owners save approximately $1,800 in maintenance costs during this period. Number 3. Lexus NX, 2022 to 2025 models. If you're looking for luxury combined with bulletproof reliability, the Lexus NX deserves your attention. While most luxury vehicles come with expensive repair bills, the NX breaks this pattern. Built on Toyota's TNGA platform and sharing core components with the RAV4, the NX benefits from proven technology wrapped in a more premium package. The base 2.5-liter engine is virtually bulletproof, though the hybrid option offers even better reliability scores. What's particularly impressive is how Lexus has simplified the infotainment system in recent models. By moving away from the troublesome touchpad controller to a more conventional touchscreen, they've eliminated one of the few weak points in earlier models: cost savings. Compared to German luxury competitors, NX owners save an average of $2,200 in repairs during the first 100,000 miles. Number 2. Kia Telluride, 2020 to 2025 models. Perhaps the biggest surprise on our list is the Kia Telluride. Once upon a time, Korean manufacturers struggled with reliability perceptions, but the Telluride has completely rewritten that narrative. The 3.8-liter V6 engine is a masterclass in engineering simplicity. By avoiding complex turbocharging systems and focusing on a naturally aspirated design with direct injection, Kia has created an engine that consistently runs trouble-free for hundreds of thousands of miles. The 8-speed automatic transmission has proven equally robust, with very few reports of issues even in vehicles used for towing. Regular transmission fluid changes every 60,000 miles, instead of the manufacturer-recommended 100,000 miles, seem to be the key to this longevity. Cost savings. With Kia's 10-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty, owners save an estimated $1,500 in potential repair costs compared to competitors with shorter coverage. Number 1. Toyota 4Runner, 2010 to 2025 models. At the top of our list is the Toyota 4Runner, a vehicle so reliable that models up to 15 years old are still considered dependable daily drivers. While most manufacturers completely redesign their vehicles every 6 to 7 years, Toyota has largely maintained the same proven platform since 2010, making incremental improvements rather than wholesale changes. The 4.0-liter V6 engine is perhaps the most bulletproof power plant in any current SUV. It's not uncommon to see these vehicles with 400,000-plus miles still running strong. The 5-speed automatic transmission, while not the most fuel-efficient by modern standards, is virtually indestructible when serviced regularly. What's most impressive about the 4Runner is its consistency. It doesn't just last a long time, it does so with minimal issues along the way. Many owners report going 15-plus years with nothing more than scheduled maintenance. Cost savings. With an average lifespan nearly double that of many competitors, 4Runner owners effectively save the cost of an entire additional vehicle, upwards of $20,000 over 20 years. While these 7 SUVs stand out for their exceptional reliability, remember that proper maintenance is essential for any vehicle to reach its potential lifespan. Following the manufacturer's recommended service schedule, or in some cases, servicing even more frequently as I've noted, will maximize your chances of trouble-free ownership. Also, consider that reliability is just one factor when choosing an SUV. Your specific needs for cargo space, passenger capacity, fuel economy, and features should also guide your decision. If you've had experience with any of these models, good or bad, drop a comment below. Real-world ownership experiences are incredibly valuable to our community. And if you're interested in more content about SUVs that will save you money in the long run, click the subscribe button and check out our playlist on best value vehicles for 2025. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.